In this video, I'll show you how to connect your hosting or domain to your Google Sites website. So to do this, first just go to your Google Sites website and go to Settings, and there go and click on Custom Domains. Now from here you want to click on Connect Domain, and then here just type in the domain that you bought on Hostinger, which for me is this right here. And then from here it will say this domain is not verified. Please verify your ownership. So you need to verify your ownership through your Google account. So just click on verify your ownership. Then from here, again, make sure this is the correct email and you are signed in to the correct Google account, and then click continue. Now it's going to check the verification and you will need to add something in your DNS records. So I'll show you how to do that. So right here you can see you can select the record type. Now I recommend just keeping it to TXT. That's also what they recommend. From there, just going to click on copy right here, and then what you want to do is go and open up Hostinger, then go to your domains and click manage, and from there click DNS and name servers, and then from there you want to go to manage DNS records, and under type you want to now type in TXT, and then here just paste in the value that you just copied and click add record. And now you have added the TXT record, so now you can go back to Google and now click on verify. Now it's going to verify if you have done it. Now usually the first time it says ownership verification failed, since updating DNS records can take up to 20 minutes or even up to 48 hours, so it can take quite a long time. Usually it will be done within 20 minutes, but just keep verifying it and trying it, and eventually it will say that it is successful if you follow the exact steps. So I'll just wait for that to happen. Now in this case it looks like it's one of the cases where it is going to take a pretty long time, since as you can see DNS changes may take some time to apply. If Search Console doesn't find the record immediately, wait a day and then try to verify again. So it seems to be that way right now, since ownership verification failed for about 10 minutes now. Now it could be that it takes about 20 minutes, but just keep trying every hour or so, and eventually the DNS records will be updated. Just make sure that you have copied it correctly by just clicking copy and then pasting it, and that it is a TXT record right here in your Hostinger domain, and then you have done it right. So then eventually it will be verified, and then you can go back to Google Sites, and from there it's fairly simple. All you need to do then, once it is verified, click next, and then if it's already connected to a different site, it will say it will disconnect from the existing sites, and then click next. And then what you will need to do is enter another CNAME in your DNS records, and for now just go and copy this right here. Now go to Hostinger, and then go and set the type to a CNAME. For the name, enter www. As for the target, paste this in, and then click add record. And then from there, after adding that record, you can go back to Google Sites and click done. And again, since you have again changed your DNS records, this could take another 24 to 48 hours, but usually it is faster. But then under connected domains, you will be able to see your domain. So now you know how to connect your hosting or domain to Google Sites. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.